Greetings, everyone. My name is Kevin from the African States Group. Um, and today we'll be giving you a quick rundown of our pitch for the our idea for an e-commerce website for Projects Day. So let me quickly share my screen so I can talk you through the platform itself. So then, right, let's share the screen real quick. Right, there we go. Beautiful. So this here would be our wish list, right? Oh, let me drag this down. So yeah, very simple, clean layout. Yeah, very professional, at least a color scheme that really appeals to the eye. But I'll firstly start off by going through the different pages that we've got here, and then I'll explain the mission and why we chose Ubuntuwares, which is the name of our e-commerce site. So this here is just the wish list. Obviously, because I'm logged out, there isn't anything on it, right? So, I don't know, am I still sharing? Right. Yes, this here would be the cart, right? Um, Displaying the order summary, the total, allowing users to enter some sort of discount code, their address, phone number, and allowing them to proceed to the checkout. Right now, let's move on to a different page. So this here would be the orders page. All the orders, those processing, shipped, delivered, canceled, so on and so forth. And obviously, because I'm not logged in as yet, my group leader or our group leader, Bonga, will quickly give you a rundown through the registering and the logging in process of the site itself. So yeah, that right there is just a quick rundown of the few pages that we have, right? So let me, yes, right, beautiful. So right here we have our landing page, homepage, very simple. Um, so Ubuntu is the reason why we went with Ubuntu is with the fact that South Africa is a very diverse country with a number of cultures. We've got 11 official languages, many traditions, cultures, belief systems, so on and so forth. And given this vast diversity, you would expect that in this day and age, we'd at least have one website where someone could go to purchase traditional, authentic, homegrown, locally made traditional outfits. So yeah, that's our mission to bring together all of these cultures and traditions and display their beautiful attires to the rest of the world and the rest of the nations, the provinces. So basically making it easily accessible for everyone, right? So the obviously we're not the first people to implement this, but what sets us apart is the fact that we would be the first in the game to bring all of the cultures onto one platform. What we have noticed, or the loophole that we've seen, is with the fact that the majority of the websites that are out there appeal to a specific uh, culture or a specific tribe in the space. So you'd find websites that appeal only to the Zulu culture, some appeal only to Basotho, some appeal only to the Tsonga culture, very specific, or at least they narrow down their market to one, two, maybe even three traditions at most, three cultures at most. So that's what really sets us apart. So yeah, very simple. Once you're logged in, you can add an item to your wish list. Once you add an item to the wish list, it obviously increments that up here. You can add an item to the cart as well. So this is just, if you scroll down, this here would be our contact information. Join us on different platforms, help with your account, advertise your products, join us. So yeah, very simple, basic layout, nothing too complicated. Very clean, and we okay, yes, very clean. And I would like to hand it over to our group leader who basically give you a rundown through how you register and log in users onto the website. Thank you. Let me stop sharing.
Okay, so this is the database. Database has tables, all the tables that projected to be in the project. But me, I'm going to be focusing on user management. So I'm going to show you the login and register function. As you can see, I already populated the user table. So I'm going to populate the table with the data. So run this. Okay, new instance. Then you're gonna run the front end as well. Let's run the one for the users first. Okay, just gonna name, surname. It's fine. Okay, now let's verify that we populate on the database. So I'm gonna simply refresh this. Here we go. And then I'm going to run the login function with the same user. Is it? Okay, okay, we logged in. So now to test all the functionality for the admin. Admin register. So this thing is not already done. So the functionality doesn't work like smoothly. So it's something that you should fix. So name to uh, send name to read name name say name to name. Phone number doesn't matter. So for the register function, so we required this code for admin, so there's like um some requirements around it. So yeah, let's try and test it here. This is okay. There we go. See, but it did populate the database. So yeah, that's it.